Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily create your install OS 6. So what you will also install on your flash, just create bootable USB. So how you can do it? So after you just download from Apple this DMG file, so you will open it and found here this file. So just tap on this file and you will see here installation. So just tap on continue, just choose your destination, select also just continue, follow all the steps, and it will install it to apps you will found. After it will finish here install OS X El Capitan. So this is the way how you can create your installation in applications. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.